Okay, in this video I will be doing a Thursday afternoon weather update. And right now it's 2:20, 2:23 right now in the afternoon. And here's what the weather is like. It is really, really stormy out here. You can't even see across the street. And the snow down here. And it is very windy, as you can see. This is a big storm. Oh man. This is a very big storm. Man. It is so stormy out here right now. And like I said, this is Thursday afternoon. Oh my gosh. And then back there, we have a whole bunch of stuff. You can't even see the backyard either. Oh my gosh, this wind. And then over here, there's my truck once again. It's so windy. It's very windy out here. So that was just a quick weather update. I can't be out here long at all because it's really, really cold. And I'm in my shoes, so yeah. And as you can see, my whole side of my house is covered in a whole bunch of snow and stuff. And by the way, all this snowstorm stuff and blizzard stuff is coming from the Allegheny Mountains. Because I live in the mountains, like I said. That's why I get so much of the snow, because I live in the mountains. So, that's going to be the end of this video. It is very windy out here and cold. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more weather update content like this. Bye, guys.